Hello everyone, my name is Tian. Today I would like to show you how to use Webview in iOS development. So, first question, what is Webview? Basically, you can think of a browser within a native app. It loads local HTML file or an external URL into your app. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to load the external URL into the Webview. So let's get started. Click Create a new Xcode project. Select Single View Application and click Next. So I'm going to give the name Webview as a product name and make sure the language we use is Swift. Click Next. Choose any folder that you like and click Create. On the left-hand side, in the Project Navigator, select main.storyboard. In the center, you will see a view controller. Highlight the view controller and look at the right side. Let's select the attribute inspector and change the size to iPhone 4-inch. Now, you're going to drag a UIWebview control into the view controller. So look at the bottom right corner and let's pick the Webview. Drag it over and make sure it's full screen. Because you want to make this UIWebview full screen no matter what kind of iPhone they use or iPad, what kind of different size of screen. So you're going to do this, right drag the UIWebview to the view and make it equal width, equal height, drag it again to the view, center horizontally, drag it again, center vertically. To make sure all the measurement is right, click the ruler inspector and make sure every value here is 0. So now we're going to add a reference to the code by clicking the editor. Now you need to right drag the UIWebview to the view controller and give it a name. I'm going to call it Webview. By doing this, you are referencing the UIWebview control into the view controller so that you can do some programming later on. Now, let's open the view controller in full screen. First, because we are going to load the external URL to the Webview, so I'm going to declare the external URL. I'm going to call it HTTP. I'm going to load the Google website. And in the view did load function, that's where we're going to write more code for the Webview. Okay, so let's create URL object, and this URL, that's it, and it's a string. It's going to pass in the URL. Now we have to create another request, URL request object. And it takes the URL. Now we're going to load this request into the view. Load request. That's it, and let's build it. Oops. Oh, I forget the escape later mark. Let's build it again. So there you go. We have the Google website loaded into the UIWebview, and because it's full screen, so it just looks like a fully functional app at this point. Okay, that's about it for the tutorial. If you have any questions, comments, please write it below. And thank you for watching. See you next time.